My name is Eric Hill. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at the Glo Companies. We are Inc. 5000 recognized manufacturer of children's sensory toys that light up and allow people to experience what we call magic moments. I think one of the greatest benefits from using Cin7 has been our ability to track the critical details to make business decisions on profitability. So across a lot of different products we sell through a lot of different mechanisms, it's important for us to be able to track are each one of those transactions profitable. And I think the coolest thing that Cin7 does well is it allows us to track the data that makes that decision possible, where we know we can't sell this particular product on this channel without it impacting profit in a way, or more importantly, this array of the catalog makes us the most money and we should focus on it. So the nice thing is that Cin7 out of the box gives enough information to make that decision. The modules that we use in Cin7, we use of course the main inventory management, we use the warehouse management functionality, sales orders, purchase orders for the procurement side, and then we've recently become a Cin7 Pay customer. We've used the built-in payment features of Cin7 for quite some time, but the Cin7 Pay improvements have been monumental in the way we capture payments from our customers, particularly on the wholesale side. One of the biggest functions that Cin7 Pay has enabled has been ACH payment, which is at of course a much lower fee. So the ability for us to collect the same payments we were through a mechanism that does so at a lower cost processing fee matters. And as COO, it's my job to worry about every single margin point, and Pay is now an integral tool in helping us reduce some or increase some profitability. Well, I would say advice for somebody considering Cin7 Pay is give it a full thought, because there are a lot of options in the payment space. And one of the advantages of Cin7 Pay is of course the direct integration, but also the transparency on how it works and functions. And I think that was one of the core things that sold us on Cin7 Pay, was that transparency of fees and how processes happened in the back end inside of our integration. We looked a year ago at switching systems, and we did so in a very aggressive way and looked at probably 5 competing platforms and ultimately said, yeah, we're going to stick with Omni. We're going to invest in it heavier, and we have built a lot of custom integrations that we believe will help Omni carry us into the future for a lot more revenue growth. So we're excited about that, because it's been in part because of the team's willingness to work with us and the system's flexibility that made us look at 5 other solutions and say, no, we're staying with Omni and it's going to be our partner.